Beginners who want to learn English can start here with basic English videos. As you can see, the link is given here. It is also given in the description of this video. Either copy the link from here into your browser or click the link in the description, and you will be able to watch the basic English videos. They are very helpful for beginners to learn English and see how they can improve their confidence and their ability to use the language. Let us begin. Of the three videos in the playlist Basic English, whose link is given in the description, the first one is Playtime. Here you have some pictures. The pictures make it so much easier to learn, even for adult learners. Once you look at these pictures, then you start identifying things which are around you. You can point out there and say, that is a wall. You can point out to this and say, this is a chair. And you can see the dark color on the wall. You say, that is a shadow. In this way, you can identify everything. You can say, this is hair, these are eyes, and so on. So what you're doing is you are learning nouns. So with all the toys which children use, we are learning some nouns. And with those nouns we are using in sentences by using pronouns also, like this is a toy or that is a doll. This and that are demonstrative pronouns. Plural, these and those. These are toys. Something which is close to us, this and these. Something which is far away, that and those, plural, those. Then you have some exercise, some questions. Now when you answer these questions, you see the visual in front of you. Or you have a small conversation. And there you have also the pictures of verbs, skipping or running or jumping or speaking. These are all there indicated to you by some picture. Now you can list all the actions which you do every day, because this video is an introductory video only. You get an introduction, how to frame a sentence, how to identify a noun or a verb, how to use them in question and answers and in conversation, and then of course a little sentence construction with values. If you do this, then you have put the first step in learning good English. Food is very important, and all the nouns and verbs which are associated with food is what you will learn in this video. The video helps you to construct correct English sentences. The video helps you to identify what is what. Suppose there are many things in the stall which is selling fruits and vegetables. Then you can identify all of them in your mother tongue. But can you identify them in English also? Here is what you have to help you. Then we have many items which are already prepared, dishes which are ready to eat. Then you identify those also. Once you start identifying them one by one, you find that your fluency is increasing. If there are 10 sentences in the video, you make 100 sentences, because we eat many times a day, we eat every day, throughout the week, throughout the month. You can keep identifying and you can give the process, eating or serving or cooking. All these verbs are also involved. Then you have to buy food, you have to bring it, you have to go to the market. All these are simple actions which you can get. The video also has a small conversation between three young people who are talking about food. Then you have some sentences, how to construct good sentences. That is also there. Question and answers are very important. In 1 or 2 slides, if you find them, you can do it for all the slides on your own. What you can do is, you can frame your own questions and answer them, not based only on what is given, what eatables are given in the video, but what eatables come in your real life. Take chapati or take dosa, take idli, and take paratha, or take white rice or biryani. Anything is possible. Now, using these terms, making it into a complete sentence, that will be a great help for your English. As I told you, the playlist, whose link is given in the description box, has 3 videos, and it is called Basic English. Once you start learning basic English, that is the first step in your journey of learning English. So watch this 3rd video, which is on apparel, A-P-P-A-R-E-L. Now I've given you the spelling also, because by looking at the sentences, you can learn spelling. By listening to the videos, you learn pronunciation. By looking at the text, you learn grammar, and you also learn vocabulary. Everything you can learn from these videos. But these are only the small steps, the baby steps, the first steps. Apparel, as I told you, the 3rd video is clothes. What clothes we wear. Now you can see that I'm wearing a sari, but you have trousers, you have t-shirt, you have dress, you have frock. All these are identified, and pictures are also there to make it interesting. If you're dealing with people who are learning English for the first time, the picture is very helpful, because you can relate the picture to the word, and that is very useful for us. Then every day, whatever you wear, you can identify the color also. This is gray in color, that is red in color, this is blue in color. This, the word blue itself has so many shades. What I'm wearing today is called copper sulfate, dark copper sulfate color. And then there are some striations. There is a little bit of a gold color also. So the video helps you to learn colors. It helps you to learn the names of dresses, wearing them, and also again a short conversation, some question and answers, the way in which you can frame sentences. Now all these 3 videos are for you to practice. The more you practice using these videos, the better you will be. Take what I have given you as the introduction, and then expand from your own experience. If you have children who are eager to learn English, share the videos with them and then help them by asking them questions. What are you wearing today? What did you eat today? Or do you play any games? What toys do you play with? Children who are in the rural areas don't buy toys. They play with stones, they play with seeds, which fall, or flowers and leaves, which are all available. So you can see how much you can learn just by using these videos. Try it and let me know how you have benefited by watching these 3 videos to enhance your basic learning of English. I hope you have liked the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done it. Press the bell icon so that you get notifications. Like and hype the video and share it as widely as you can. Join the channel as a member to attend all the live classes I conduct and also to get other benefits. Thank you and all the best.